Bitcoin did a massive fake out, and the next levels are going to be really important. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. The price of Bitcoin is currently rallying extremely well, guys, and I did mention that in the previous video that if we were to break the 18.8 level, we had a possibility of testing the 17.9 level. Now, this was something to keep in mind, right? Here we had an imaginary support that was built at 18.6, and I did mention this on Ethereum in today's morning video that sometimes we have these imaginary support levels that are made recently within the 4-hour time frames. We can see that we tested this level once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times before we had the massive move to the upside. Now, at these point levels, usually we see a massive fake out, and that's exactly what happened on Bitcoin, right? We had this move set, we broke above support once again, retested the support, and then continued pushing higher. Currently, we are testing the exponential moving averages once more. We could either see two situations form here. The first situation is we see this candlestick continue going back down and this whole move set is invalidated. Now, the overall picture, what could happen is we can have a U formation and retest the previous highs over here at 19.8. Now, this is something to keep in mind, right? When you want to trade something, you have these exponential moving averages at your play. So we could see a possible U formation hit this resistance level at the exponential 200 EMA, hit this previous resistance, and then have a massive fake out. Or the second situation is we continue pushing higher, hit this resistance level, and then drop back down, right? So that's something to keep in mind. Now, this isn't a trading level necessarily. We do have this fake out candle. Like I said, we did have this fake out move and then a continuation higher. I don't see entering shorts or long positions. There are a ton of short positions open. So whether or not this will be the short squeeze, we will have to wait until tonight to find out. But as of right now, it is looking like a high possibility that there are over leveraged shorts, and that's what's causing this massive move, right? We did have this fake out at 18.7, and now we are continuing rallying higher. Now, on the lower time frames, a little bit more of an interesting story, right? Let me go ahead and clean up the chart here a little bit. But you can see that on the lower time frames, it was pretty much a good reason to kind of be looking for a long opportunity when you had this breakout candlestick right over here, right? So when you're looking at it from this perspective, this candlestick right here, retesting that support line, was a reason to enter a long position. Even if we were to just play this move set, you can see that usually when you have these kind of move sets, they will at least retest the highs over here, right? So if you're coming down like more of like a little cup and handle formation, you will at least test the highs over here, and that was this candlestick right here that was broken and continued on rallying. You could have taken a scalping opportunity right here, but as soon as we broke above, that was invalidated, and then we just continued pushing on further to the next resistance level. These kind of things you can kind of play, but you just have to be careful of setting some really strict stop losses, right? You don't want to be messing with long positions when the market is overall on a downtrend, so just keep that in mind next time you're looking for these sort of positions. But looking at that candlestick breakout, completely above the exponential moving averages, now it looks like on the lower time frames we are seeing some sort of resistance here. In my opinion, it just looks like we are just going to consolidate a little bit before breaking on higher. We will be retesting at least the resistance level here at 19.5, if not the top of this candlestick, right, at the 19.8. At least over there, I would imagine we would retest and then continue pushing higher or lower on Bitcoin. So with that being said, guys, this kind of move, you don't want to be trading it. You can look for shorting scalp opportunities, but in my opinion, at least let the candle close on the 4-hour before you look for a move. This can, one of two ways, again, be a massive fake out, continue and then go lower, or this could be a proper move and we continue pushing higher to the magical level of 20.7. Now, if that level at 27 is hit, what's going to happen, right? So I've told you guys in the previous videos that 20.7 is a crucial level for Bitcoin, at least for a relief rally. If we do see a break above this level, I would be looking for long opportunities once we break the level and retest and then continue higher. I wouldn't be looking for any long opportunities until we hit that level and have confirmation. The last thing you want to do is, like I said, hit this level, you enter some long positions and then it rejects and comes back down, then you're pretty much caught in a long position that you don't want to be in. What you're looking for is a level of a break, a retest, and then a continuation, and that would be a good long position. But we can't exclude the overall trend, right? we can see that Bitcoin has been consolidating lower, and this could just be another consolidation before we push back down. You have to look at the bigger picture. So that's why I wouldn't be suggesting any long opportunities. Right now, I would only be looking for shorting opportunities. But currently speaking, it is not a shorting opportunity, right? You want to be careful shorting when you have a major support level being retested and a fake out. That could possibly be a massive impulse move to the upside. Just keep that in mind, guys, when you're trading. So make sure you guys, pay attention to this exponential moving average and see how the price reacts when it hits it. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for the support. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys do like my videos. And then once again, I hope you guys have a wonderful day.